Welcome to our channel. Today we are going to talk about controlling who can see posts you are tagged in on your Facebook Lite profile. This is an important feature to maintain your privacy and manage what others see on your timeline. First, open the Facebook Lite app on your phone. Next, look at the top right and tap on the three horizontal lines. Then scroll down until you find the option called Settings and Privacy. Tap on it to open more options. After that, select Settings. Scroll down and find the section labeled Profile and Tagging. Tap on Profile and Tagging to open it. Now, find the option labeled Who can see posts you're tagged. In on your profile and tap it. You will see several choices such as Friends, Friends Accept, Specific Friends, or Only Me. Choose the option that best fits your privacy preferences. Then click on Save button. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with others.